Good evening, students. Sorry for the late. Students, will you able to hear me clearly? Students, am I audible? Guys, please reply. Yeah, is my audio is clear? Bad man. Yeah, so just I am starting where we stopped yesterday. So we are discussing about the differentiation of the standard functions. Just a minute, guys. So I have to connect the audio. No charge. Charge is there. Students, will able to hear me? I changed the audio settings. Still, that's the reason I'm asking you to test. Anyone can reply? Arshida, Hamsini, or anything? Anyone? Vaishnavi? Hamsini, can you able to hear me now? Now what I'm talking, can you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, super. Thank you. So we are discussing differentiation of the standard functions. So just I'm going to briefing you. What are the standard functions? Majorly, what are the formulas you have to remember? See, these standard functions we have to remember till end of the plus 2. These are the standard functions. Will be useful introduction to your not only calculus, differentiation, some other areas in physics also will be useful. D by dx of constant is equal to 0. Then not sharing the screen, sorry students. Yeah, and d by dx of the proofs for few questions I already explained, like sin x, tan x, cos x, and all I explained. Today we will do first principle for one function, and we will do exercise numericals based on this. Kx is equal to k d by dx of x power n, that is n into x power n minus 1, and d by dx of log x is equal to 1 by x. Differentiation of exponential function e power x is equal to e power x. And when it comes to differentiation of trigonometric functions, d by dx of sin x is equal to cos x. Cos x is equal to differentiation of cos x is equal to minus sin x. This also we saw the proof. D by dx of tan x is equal to secant square x. D by dx of cot x is equal to minus cosecant square x. D by dx of cosecant x is equal to minus cosecant x into cot x. And d by dx of secant x is equal to secant x into tan x. Is it clear, students? Shall I proceed to some questions related to this? Guys, please respond. Please respond. Students, please respond.
Yes.
Yeah. So my question was, find the differentiation of secant x using first principle. The question might be like this for essay question. Find the d by dx of secant x using first principle, or prove that d by dx of secant x is equal to secant x into tan x using first principle. I'm giving 2-3 minutes time, like 5 minutes time. Please, I will start after few minutes time. First, you try by yourself using first principle. Please, students, carry on. Hope you are clear with my question. Hope you are clear with my question. These standard derivations are not available in textbook. They gave for you only for few questions. Secant x is not there, it seems in textbook. Please practice, try to understand what it was, how to do it. Anyone done? Anyone got the answer? What is the differentiation formula? The differentiation of a function using the first principle is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x h minus f of x divided by h. Here my function is d by dx of secant x. So limit h tends to 0 secant of x plus h minus secant x divided by h. If I am substituting h directly 0, you will get 0 by 0, which is indeterminate form. So we avoid that. What we have to do, students? Anyone how to proceed this limit concept? Guys, please respond. How to proceed this limit concept? How to proceed this limit concept? Limit h tends to 0. How to do this limit concept, students? Guys, anyone? How to do the limits with respect to secant? Kirtana, Hamsini, Arvind. Many are here. Please respond. Nitin, Raghav, Sai Raghav, Vaishnavi. Anyone? Students, please respond. Guys, expecting some response from you. How to do this concept? Nitin, Nitish. Guys, will be able to hear me? Hamsini, Harsha, anyone can chat at least. If you are unable to speak, you can even send a message, yes or no, or something, the procedure, method, or a single step. Anyone, please respond. Convert to cos. Any alternate method? Any alternate method other than this? Yeah, Nitish gave that is one the easiest method because we are going to use 1 by cos of x plus h minus 1 by cos x divided by h. If I'm taking LCM, I will get limit h tends to 0 cos x minus cos of x plus h divided by h into cos of x plus h into cos x. So here we have to use cos c minus cos d formula. Anyone can give the what is the cos c minus cos d formula? Anyone? Just check the textbook and let me know what is the cos c minus cos d formula. Cos c minus cos d formula is how much? Minus 2 sine c plus d by 2 sine c minus d by 2. Agree? Or you can write 2 sine c plus d by 2 sine. If I'm taking this minus inside, d minus c by 2. Anything is fine. So limit h tends to 0. This can be written as 2 sine x plus x 2x plus h by 2 into sine x plus h d minus c. This is like c, this is like d. So I'm taking minus inside, x plus h minus x by 2 divided by h into cos x into cos of x plus h. So this x cancel. So what is the remaining? Now if I'm separating the sin x. Limit h tends to 0. This can be written as sin of 2x plus h by 2 as one term, sin of h by 2 divided by this 2 I'm bringing into the denominator. This will become 1 by 2. So h by 2 as one term into 1 by cos of x plus h. Now if I'm applying the limit, what I will get? Cos of x plus h into cos x. When I'm applying the limit, the sine function will become sin 2x by 2 and limit h tends to 0. This can be written as even h by 2 tends to 0. This whole term will become as 1 and this will be 1 by cos x into cos x. So 2 cancel. Finally, I will get sin x by cos x into cos x. When cos I am taking to the numerator, sin x cos x can be written as tan x and 1 by cos can be written as secant x. So finally, I arrived to a formula d by dx of secant x is equal to secant x into tan x. Anyone having any doubt in this question, please let me know. Otherwise, I will move to the next question. Next topic. Please respond. Students, please respond. Students, please respond. Yes or no? Is it clear? Anyone, any step you are having any doubt? Kirtana, Yuvia, Nitin. Shall I move to the next one? Hamsini. Students, please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next one is algebra of limits. It plays an important role to solve the numericals in a quick way. Algebra of limits like algebra of derivatives. It's not exactly like algebra of limits. Algebra of derivative of a function. Like if two functions are in addition, suppose if I'm taking d by dx of where f of x is a real valued function, g of x is a real valued function. It might be anything. We are having major five standard functions. We are having inverse trigonometric functions, logarithmic functions, algebraic functions, trigonometric functions, exponential functions. I stands for, you can remember as isolate. These are the, other than these five functions, we won't deal much in our math till +2. So this is inverse trigonometric functions. L stands for logarithmic functions. The example of inverse trigonometry is tan inverse, sine inverse, like this. This will come in +2. Logarithmic is like log x, log of f of x, something, log x square, like this. Algebraic function is general, polynomial, and linear or cubic. Trigonometric, you know already, sine, cos, tan. This is called exponential function. So these are the only the functions mostly we will deal with. Suppose if two functions are in addition, so the differentiation of these two functions is d by dx of f of x plus d by dx of g of x. What it says, if see, we are having only few standard formulas. We can do the differentiation of each function separately if both are in addition. This is first one. Second one is d by dx of f of x minus g of x, algebra for derivative for the subtraction of two functions. Even subtraction of two functions also you can do each and every function separately, you can do the differentiation. But when it is in multiplication, it is not like limits. Suppose if I'm having two functions, f of x into g of x, like sin x into x, x into cos x, tan x into log x. So here it is little bit different. Here we are going to use chain rule for the differentiation of product chain rule we are using. What we have to say is choose one function. When you are doing the differentiation for the first function, second function is like constant. So d by dx of f of x into g of x minus d by dx of g of x, sorry. So plus you done f of x differentiation. So now write f of x into d by dx of g of x. This is the differentiation of two functions in product. I will explain you how to apply the product rule. Suppose if my f of x is x sin x. So you can use first rule without any hesitation. If you are using the first rule also, you can able to do first principle. But I already told you first principle is, we are not going to use the first principle. First principle is useful to functions you can do, but each and every time now need to apply the first principle. If they are not Sorry, students, disconnected. Yeah. So here your first function is. Hope you are able to listen. Hamsni, Nitish, you able to listen? So the differentiation of this. See, x is a standard function, sin x is a standard function. So you know how to do the differentiation of these two functions. So dy dx of first function is equal to dy dx of x. So this is like x power 1. 1 into x power 1 minus 1. So it is 1. And dy dx of sin x. We know dy dx of sin x is equal to cos x. Now it is like your f of x in the formula, g of x in the formula. So I can take this is h of x. The given function is h of x. So d by dx of product of two functions can be written as d by dx of f of x into g of x plus f of x into d by dx of g of x. So this will be, what is the differentiation of f of x? 1. G of x is sin x. As it is, you have to write from the given. F of x is x. D by dx of g of x is cos x. So the answer of differentiation of x into sin x. It is a product of algebra and trigonometry is sin x plus x cos x. Is it clear how to apply the product rule here? Product rule for the differentiation of two functions. This is called product rule. This formula is called product rule. This is called product rule. Is it clear, students? I can go to the quotient rule. Quotient rule means if two functions are in division, how to do? Two functions are in division, how to do? Suppose if there is a function h of x is equal f of x by g of x, like x by sin x, x by log x, 1 by x, even 1 is also a function, it's a constant function. It will comes under algebra. So how to do if two functions are in division? This rule is called quotient rule. This rule is called quotient rule. Suppose if I am differentiating with respect to x, so what you are differentiating besides the variable. So f of x divided by g of x will be equal to d by dx of f of x, numerator differentiation into denominator minus numerator into differentiation of denominator function divided by denominator whole square. Like this you can remember. First numerator differentiation multiply with the denominator minus f of x into differentiation of the denominator divided by denominator whole square. So to avoid this much of big expressions, the d by dx of f of x having a symbol, that is f dash x. So if I'm asking differentiation of f of x by g of x, I can write f dash x into g of x minus f of x into g dash x divided by g of x whole square. Is it clear, students, what I'm asking? Shall I go for some numericals related to this? Students, please respond. Please respond. Yes or no? Please respond. Students, please respond. Guys, I can move to some numericals.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I will give one or two examples related to product rule. How to do product rule. We know what is the differentiation of tan x, students? What is the differentiation of tan x? What is the differentiation of tan x? What is the differentiation of tan x?
Secant square.
Secant square. It's very clear. We are saying it is secant square x. Now, this we can do using the first principle I done. But how to do the same thing with respect to product rule or quotient rule? Simple. Tan x can be written as the ratio of sin x by cos x. From trigonometry, it is very clear. Now, the numerator is a function, denominator is another trigonometric function. And he is asking d by dx of tan x can be written as d by dx of sin x by cos x. Let's see whether you are getting the secant square x or not if I'm using that principle. That means quotient rule. Your f of x is what? Sin x. Differentiation of f of x is what? Cos x. Your g of x is what? Cos x. Your differentiation of g of x is what? Minus sin x. Now I'm going to substitute these values. Different quotient rule is what? D by dx of f of x by g of x will be equal to differentiation of numerator into denominator minus numerator into denominator differentiation divided by denominator square. Now, cos x into minus sin x minus sin x into, sorry guys, f dash x is cos x, g of x is cos x. This is cos x because g of x differentiation you should not write. You have to write straight away. G of x is what is here. G of x is cos x minus sin x into, because f of x is sin x and g dash x, differentiation of denominator is minus sin x divided by denominator whole square, cos x whole square. This will be cos square x plus sin square x divided by cos square x, which is equal to 1 by cos square x, nothing but secant square x. See the beauty of this calculus. Even if you approach in any method, first principle you've done, and if I'm using sin x by cos x, I'm applying the quotient rule, we're getting the same. Understand what is the importance of the quotient rule, students? Shall I go for some more question? Some other question I can move? Ravin, some response. Please. Shriya, Vaishnavi, Navya, Nitish, please respond. Hansini, I can move to the next question.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I will give a few minutes time. Find the differentiation of 1 by x. 1 by x is a quotient. Your f of x is 1, g of x is x. Is asking d by dx of f of x by g of x. You know what is the differentiation of constant? Do it and let me know what is your answer. Short numericals. Anyone got the answer, students? It is type if you are unable to talk. Nitish, anyone got the answer?
Sir, in any method you can find.
Yeah, not first principle, direct method. In any method you can do, even you can apply exponent formula also. I am asking use the quotient rule to understand a little bit more, to get experience over the quotient rule. I will do both the methods. Here d by dx of 1 into, I'm writing straight away without writing formula, into x minus 1 into d by dx of x divided by x square. d by dx of x is 1 is 0 into x minus 1 into 1, because x differentiation is 1 divided by x square. So the answer is minus 1 by x square. So how to do the same thing using x power n formula? d by dx of x power minus 1 is equal to minus 1 into x power minus 1 minus 1, because x power n formula is n into x power n minus 1, where n is equal to 1. So it is equal to minus 1 into x power minus 1 minus 1. This is minus 1 by x square. Even if I'm using this formula also, minus 1 by x square. Even if I'm using first principle also, you will get the same expression. If we are clear, I will do one more question related to u by v. Students, please. If we are clear, I will give one more question related to u by v. Please respond. Find the differentiation of log x by x with respect to x. That means the meaning of the statement is he is asking us to calculate d by dx of log x by x. Here you are going to use the quotient rule. Please do this question. Hope you are clear with the question, everyone. This question is clear, students? Nitish, Nitin, Shreya, Amsini, this question is clear? This question is clear, students? Anyone got the answer, guys? Students, anyone got the answer? So this is also looking like f of x by g of x differentiation. Your f of x is numerator, which is equal to log x, and the differentiation of f of x is equal to 1 by x. Your g of x is x, the differentiation of g of x is 1. Now the differentiation of f of x by g of x is f dash x into g of x minus f of x into g dash x divided by g dash x, sorry, g of x whole square. This will be equal to 1 by x into x minus log x into 1 divided by x square. So x cancel. The answer is 1 minus log x by x square is the differentiation of log x by x. Hope you are clear. Is it clear? I can move to the next question. Is it clear? I can move to the next question. Students, please respond. I can move to the next question.
Yes, sir.
Guys, yeah. Find the differentiation of x log x. Find it. Find the differentiation of x log x. Do it. Anyone got done? This is like product rule. You are using the formula d by dx of f of x into g of x. Differentiation of first function into second function plus first function into differentiation of second function is the answer. So for getting the, once you use it to do, then you can apply directly. F of x is equal to x and its differentiation is 1, f dash of x, and g of x is equal to log x. From here g dash of x is equal to 1 by x. If I am substituting d by dx of x log x is equal to, if I want to write like one more steps, this is d by dx of x into log x plus x into d by dx of log x. This will be 1 into 1 by x plus x into, sorry guys, 1 into log x plus x into 1 by x, x cancel. So the answer is 1 plus log x is the answer. 1 plus log x is the answer. This is how we can do this question. Hope you are clear what I done here. Is it clear, students? Shall I move to the next question? Students, I can move to the next question. Guys, please respond. Can move to the next one. Please say yes or no. You can move to the next one or not.
Yes, sir.
Find d by dx of cos x by 1 plus sin x. Do it. Do it. Everyone, try this question. So your f of x is equal to cos x. So f dash x. See, finding the differentiation of individual functions is very important here. Once you got the differentiation of numerator and denominator, nothing in this question, just substitution. G of x is equal to, again, 1 plus sin x. So now we are applying the algebra of the function. That is, if I am taking g dash x, d by dx of 1 plus d by dx of sin x. So differentiation of 1 plus sin x means it is because of the addition 1 differentiation plus sin x differentiation. So 0 plus sin x differentiation is cos x. So 1 plus sin x differentiation is cos x. Now it is ready to do. So numerator differentiation into denominator minus numerator into differentiation of denominator divided by 1 plus sin x whole square. This will be minus sin x into minus sin square x minus cos square x divided by 1 plus sin x whole square. If I'm taking sin square x plus cos square x, if I'm taking common of minus, it will come sin x plus sin square x plus cos square x divided by 1 plus sin x whole square. This whole thing is 1. This will be minus of sin x plus 1 divided by 1 plus sin x whole square. So the final answer is minus 1 by 1 plus sin x. This is the differentiation of this question. See how this is the simplest form of the final answer. Hope you are clear what I am doing. Is it clear, students? Is it clear? Yeah, 1 or 2 sessions we will do all textbook numericals, including miscellaneous. And I think permutations and combinations are requested. Raghav sir will take care of the permutations and combinations. And after this, my side, I will continue the probability. In 2 more sessions, I'm going to discuss the differentiation deeply. So some more questions I will bring, and some more questions related to limits, little bit technical questions, or some questions related to +2, which will be useful for our +2. So I will discuss with you people. So we'll meet in the next class. Anyone having any doubt can stay back, or we'll meet in the next class. Please, students, respond. Shall I close the session?
So 1 minute from the screen.
You want to copy, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Which one?
Yes, sir.
This question. I want to scroll up.
Yes, sir. Little.
Yeah, that's enough.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, can you scroll down?
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Bye, everyone. We'll meet in the next class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.